How to use Keyframe in CapCut PC. If you want to edit in CapCut Desktop like a pro, Keyframe is the answer. It features the highlight of your video while maintaining a smooth transition. Let's get started. The first step is to drag or import the file to the timeline that we would like to edit. After importing our file into the timeline, place the playhead, this line over here, in the part where you want to start zooming in or out. Now, on the upper right hand corner, we select Basic and look for a diamond shape and click it. This is the keyframe. This will be our starting point. We then move again the playhead where you want to end your zooming clip. You can do this by changing the scale of your video or manually do it by adjusting the video size like this. I will then add a third keyframe for zoom in. And another keyframe for zoom out. You may add more keyframes accordingly. Let us now watch the final results. Here is the original video, and here is the enhanced video using keyframes. If you found this video helpful, consider liking and sharing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.